Well, it seems Zandile Khumalo is changing her tune. In an interview with ENCA, Khumalo said that she could not identify the suspects because they were wearing masks. However, yesterday, she pointed out at Bongani Ntanzi as the intruder, corroborating another witness, Tumelo Madlala's testimony. So let's remind you of what she said exactly.
And another thing that's also like a serious concern for me is that kuthiwana babantu baboshiwe. Ne thina njengabantu abababona abantu abangena endlini ne we were not called to ID these people. Why? Is it because now everything has suddenly changed and now we are suspects? Do
you recognize any of those men?
They were wearing masks half of the time, so there's no way I can say hilo or rilo. And none of those guys had dreadlocks. Some of them have gained weight. It's been a while. So right now I can't say Okona no Mageko between all of those people. But see, right now we're about 5, but the people that came into our house was 2 people. Already Kelly Nomtogo Bebe Bambisana with some of the guys from next door. Bebe Bambisano sends Bemfage Motoni and move. I just jumped in there and ngalegelela nami in any way that I could.
Sazama ukumqubula cause besinda ngathi umzimba ubewudedele sazamqubula ukuthi simfake emotweni.
I was the one sitting no sense mover putting pressure on the wound leading to the hospital.
I can't remember, but what I do remember, I was at the back and I was behind him and I had my hands like this.
His body in what position was it?
Oh, umzimba wakhe lona wawukiphi position?
Oh, lies, lies, lies. And everywhere is lies.
I was holding him here. Foot being paramising, his skipper is fagile, so I could feel his stomach all the way. I was busy talking to him all the way, trying to keep him alive. But unfortunately,
all I can say is justice system of this country is a joke. It's more like we're playing a movie, nakona a Disney Channel movie, because this thing, it's more like ngathi stories below a 5-year-old. And the
amaphoyisa njengamanje kumele engabe abopha uLongwethwala for killing uSenzo. Senzo was shot by uLongwethwala. There was no one who entered the house. Bese ebopha all these police who have defeated the ends of justice. Usenzo was shot by uLongwethwala. Listen. A call was made by Tumelo. The first call when Usenzo was shot. What Tumelo? A boyfriend Kazandi, of which he didn't know by name, had shot Usenzo, and then a phone was dropped. At the background, Ukeli, she was crying, and that information was given to the SAPS. Why they do not want to arrest Longwethwala, I do not know. You can quote me on that one. His boyfriend, Kazandi, at the time shot and killed Usenzo Meyiwa in cold blood. We were told when Usenzo was shot by Utumel, and then we made a call back. What do you mean? What's his boyfriend, Kazandi? Uzandi, the boyfriend at the end. He shot Usenzo.
And
the police were told, that several times by the person who was called. So I don't know with Simanje, these things about makeup, by makeup. If they don't want to do the investigation, they should leave it, because they know we've told them. The person who called us said his boyfriend Kazandi shot Usenzo because there was an argument between them.
Amaphoyisa athini ngoba uyabona lento oyiclaimayo manje la emoyeni, it could be very damaging for uLongwethwala. Siyazi ukuthi ukhuluma la ngendodana kaChiko Thwala osaziwayo la eSouth Africa. Nangu umbuzo engifuna ukubuza wona ukuthi uma nisa lolu daba emaphoyiseni nithi naku kuthiwa, in fact sezwa efonini kuthiwa uLongwethwala uyena oDubula uSenzo, amaphoyisa athini kunina about ukumbopha or ukumyekela?
Mfethu, for me and my family, ukuthi bayambopha noma bambophi, it is up to them. It's long overdue. We said to the police several times, and the good police who are in the side of justice have said it. Ukuthi there was no one who entered the house. Yes, who are working on this case. Even who advocate Chauke in Gauteng, he confirmed it. Ukuthi according to the information that was given to him, there is no one. I had a live recording of Advocate Chauke saying, Ukuthi, according to him as an advocate, experienced advocate, there was no one who entered the house. So what else must we say, Vic? What else must we say?
Uma sesiqeda ingxoxo yethu but siyabonga. Umndeni wakoMeyiwa namhlanje uthini ngoba sikhuluma nje ubaba Meyiwa akasekho emhlabeni. Ushone umuntu owabulala indodana yakhe engakathola. Umama kaSenzo njengamanje isimo sakhe sinjani?
Mfethu, uma uhlezi ekhala, it is sad ukuthi South Africa abantu besifazane that they claim to protect. Nabonke labo mama have never shown sympathy to uma kaSenzo. Yet the killer, we know ukuthi, and the people of the law of this country have said ukuthi there was no one who entered the house. And the person who was visiting Senzo for the first time, who didn't know Zandi's boyfriend, but said to us on the phone, the boyfriend that Zandi has shot Senzo, and we said that to the police. Angengikhulume ngoma ngoba uma ubuhlungu mfethu, ubuhlungu she's always been, and he lost the son. And the saddest thing ukuthi baqhamuka nalento ngoba sewukuthi inyanga yokushona kaSenzo. I don't know, they are doing basebenzisa le tactic abahleze beyisebenzisa ukuthi when they're supposed to arrest bazoqhamuka nalento. But I'm not making up these stories. Long wethwala short Senzo bene argument no Zandi. That's all. We as a family, we know. Long shot Twala, short Senzo. Bene argument no Zandi. Ukuthi abambophi ngani, they well bayazibona, but uNkulunkulu ngelinye ilanga uyosihila amanxeba, and nabanye bebemthanda uSenzo wangempela they will be healed. But to know this, we know which long Twala short Senzo, because a person who was there within the first hour, he never met Longwe, he never met. He called us and told us which is Zandi's boyfriend, a short Senzo. Even Kelly, we allowed to miss. We respected Kelly, we treated her like a sister, as Abafoboba Senzo, but this is what she has done to us.
Uzandi,
but it's fine.
Uzandi, nimazi kanjani?
Uzandi, I've never met Uzandi. Early, I always come to Quebec to send Angiza. We show who busy because Senzo was treating Kelly like a queen before everything happened. We understand. And the Natas brothers, we understand. Kelly, we treated her like a sister, Maela, so yonke lento ayishoyo it's sad. Yet she knows ukuthi whatever that happened, while Senzo washona a protector yena, because there was an argument thinking ukuthi mhlawumbe ulonge someone la ulala nentombi yakhe. Bangasho noma yini abayithandayo, if ever ukuthi I have to go to jail for what I'm saying now, so let it be. Because it's sad, in fact. It's sad that our national icon was killed like this by someone in the house. But those guys from the police who were there, who were not supposed to be there, they know what they were doing.
Yeah.
One day, when South Africa ithola umthetho, they will arrest them for defeating the ends of justice.
All right. Siyabonga Mia. Angibonge mfowethu.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. That is Siyabonga Mia, the cousin to the late Senzo.
Do you think they're protecting someone?
Ngoba nangalesi sikhathi kusanda kwenzeka lento ngalelo langa ngelanga usenza adutshulwa ngayo khona umuntu engengimusho owayekhona lapho wamuza umuntu ekhuluma edinwe futhi ethi mina ngeke mina ngisusa emlazi ngizongibukisa le nonsense le bemvimba uyabona khona bafuna kwakhiwa istory ethi ungeke mina ngeke ngiyenze lonto efuna edlubula indlela efuna ukukhuluma ethi mina ngeke ngisusa le ngizongibukisa amanyala yabona khona wayefuna ukuliveza iqiniso yena wafika ediniwe bakusho lokho ulongo wafika ediniwe ngabingelelanga umuntu engena lapha ediniwe ukuthi uZandi wayekade ngamtholi and the day before uZandi walala ngithi kaKheli kwalala uZandi noMthoko noSenzo noKheli babelela ndawonye and ulongo wafika lapho wabona ukuthi awukhona komjito khona la umuntu wamangimtholi wafika ngalo langa ebusuku aphindwa wahamba wabona khona abantu abawuthuthula manje uSenzo noKheli usho uMthoko noZandi uvelo ebaselekile ubuya ngakusasa nje vele udiniwe uthi kushuthi awenziwe ibhareni umuntu wakhe uyaxhoshwa kushuthi khona umshayashaya uSenzo umfakele kushuthi umjida wakho waseDurban isuka lapho-ke leyo nto isuka ngokuthi le mjida wayidiniwe waxabana nalo nomuntu wakhe kuZandi khathi bexabana kwasuka umsindo donke isibhamu lo mjida ngoba inhlamvu yokuqala yaqhuma yashaya phansi yaze yazolimaza uZandi la asuka lapho xixixi kubanje isibhamu ukuthi kwenza kanjani kudonseka itrigger iyona into efanele iyochazwa ngoba sasingasaphethwe wena kuphela asekubangiswana.
So are you saying that you don't believe what they are saying in court?
Ayikho nole besho ayikho mina ngathi ngifike eGoli ngatshelwa enye indoda abanye babantu statement sami sikhona ngikhuluma into statement sami sikhona ecourt basazongibiza omunye oyikhulu naye shuthu oba involved ekutheni istory fanele simiso kanjani wathi ndodana watlalela la ngitshela lento ekhulunywayo lo izikhulunywa ukuthi ngene igebengu lapha ayikho lonto ndodana wenzela imedia usenze ubethandwa abantu kakhulu wenzela ukuthi umsindo ungasuka eSouth Africa into eyenzekile nje udubuleke elamula uZandi nesoka lakhe ixatshwana ongitshela kanje lo muntu wakhuluma nalabo abasendlini bayazi omunye umuntu omkhulu naye wayekhona kukhulunywa le ebikelwa nangalo daba usewenzekile.
So there are 5 accused in the dock that have been charged for Senzo's killing. Are you saying then that these are not the right people?
Mfethu yabona la majida lawo bazilutha labantu ba innocent ngasho kwasekuqaleni yona phela into yazesixabanisa noMr Nel ngimtshela ngithi Mr Nel labantu aba innocent wathi na labantu ba involve ngabe ngaze ngaphuma athi ngiyaphuma kunina mina ukuthi niyasixhasa kanjani ngamane ngiphume ngeke ngilibele ukuxhasa abantu abangayikholwa into engishoyo ngoba phela sezala ngoba thina sasibona uGininda uyena behind land obopha labafana ngoba efihla icover up u2020 statement labafana bazilutho baqala ukathiwa labafana bapromise imali bathenjisa imali omunye wathiwa ngazi 300,000 omunye ngazi noma bathi 3 million ini ama families angakutshela ama families alabantu bashawa bayinqaba leyo mali kwazama ama families kwazama abazali bawo ukuthi bavuma ukuthatha le mali banqaba nabazali babo abasulelwa labantu abazilutho.